Do you ever feel bloated, inflamed, or just crave something light, fresh, and flavorful? Well, today I'm going to be making an anti inflammatory twist on the classic fresh basil pesto with rice noodles. This is gluten free, dairy free, and totally crave worthy. Say goodbye to inflammation and hello to vibrant, healing flavor. Let's stir up some health on a plate now. So I got a bowl over here with water. I'm going to go ahead and wash the basil which I cut up for my plant at the side, and this to remove any insects or dirt that have come on it. Then in a second bowl, I will pour some warm water in it and I'll put some rice noodles in. I will close the bowl and this will cook the noodles, but the time depends on the size of the noodles. In this case, this will take only 5 minutes. Then I'm going to strain the rice noodles and let this sit to dry. Now that the basil is washed and the noodles are cooked and drained, I will put my 2 cups of basil leaves in the blender. We are in the stage now where we are going to be making the pesto. Along with this, I got less than half a cup of cilantro going in here, and this will give the pesto a nice bright citrusy taste. Then I got 1 tablespoon of pungent, slightly bitter garlic paste, a piece of ginger going in. Then I got half a teaspoon of Thai chili powder going in, and this for some spicy Thai kick. Then I got a few pieces of cashews and pecans going in, this for a creamy, rich, nutty, earthy taste. Then I'm going to put 4 tablespoons of lemon juice in this. Then I got about a quarter cup of olive oil going in, and this for a fruity, buttery taste. And finally, I got half a teaspoon of pepper and salt. And now let's blend all this together. You can add lemon juice or water to further liquefy this. And don't forget to do a taste test to see if you have to add anything else. Then I poured the pesto sauce in a pan and I'm going to cook this on low heat for 5 minutes. You will notice a sweet aromatic fragrance once the sauce simmers down in the pan. After 5 minutes of stirring this, add half a can of coconut milk. After 3 minutes, go ahead and add the noodles in and toss this around. Okay, it's all ready and look at this now. And oh my gosh, it smells so good. The basil is so strong in here. Even like the olive oil, the nuts, I can smell some of the nuts in here. I just can't wait to taste it. I like to scoop the noodles with a tong and turn this all around. You can add sesame seeds for a nice crunch. How did it taste? Oh my gosh, this was so good. This was next level flavor. The rice noodles were perfectly silky and then we just soaked up all the rich dairy-free pesto. You get the bold, fresh basil kick right up front, and then bam! The coriander hits with the citrusy twist that totally lifts the dish. It's creamy without any cheese thanks to those nuts and olive oil. It was light, zesty, super satisfying, and 100% guilt-free. You got to try this, guys. It was so good. If you wanted to make this cheesy, I recommend this. This is really good. It's a very tasty dairy-free cheese, plant-based, and it'll be so creamy with this too. But this, of course, didn't need anything. It didn't need any cheese. It was just creamy with the coconut milk, and it was so delicious. So you need to make this. It's so easy to make. It's so simple. You don't have to go to any restaurant to make it. You can just have it. Make it and have it. Thank you for watching this, guys. Please give this a like and subscribe for more gluten-free, dairy-free, and tomato-free recipes. And have a great day, guys.